Okay, so now I'm going to make a small demonstration of a script that I've made for Blendercam. I use a lot of sign plates because my CNC machine is a sign cutting machine. So I didn't have a proper script to generate plates of different sizes. So I have made one here in CurveCam Tools. Uh, so usually the like a commercial traffic sign has a corner radius of 25.4 millimeters. This is set. The width of the plate is 12 inch, and the height of the plate is 18 inch. And usually the hole diameters could be 10 millimeter. But here we go. If we have, and the distance between the holes would be 10 inch. Or 11 inch. No, no, it's 18. 16 times 25.4. Yeah, 16 inch. Or 16 inch or 15 inch. So yeah, you see the holes on the pole, on the traffic sign pole, they're all 1 inch apart. Now these holes are maybe not very easy to put the bolt through. So you might need a tolerance in the vertical sense. So let's say 5 millimeter. It will make the holes oblong, or if you choose 7 millimeters, even more so. If you choose 0, it's just going to make it a round hole. Yeah, you can use a single hole of or a distance of 4 millimeter, just for a nice little oblong hole, so to make the bolts easier to mount on the pole. And so that's it for the sign plate function, I guess you could call it. If you want to make a 12 inch by 12 inch, and of course the holes are going to have to be 11 inch apart or 10 inch apart. So yeah, it's very convenient for me. I can make plates of different sorts very easily, and not having to redraw and remeasure everything or draw in another CAD program. So hope you enjoy it. We're we have a small group keeping Blendercam alive. So if you want to join us, we're on chat on the Matrix. And if you want more videos, instructions on Blendercam, you can like and subscribe. Let me know if there's something that you would like to see, and catch you on the next video. Have a great day.